Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of revision lectures for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1, today we will discuss about resonance, tautomers, difference between resonance and tautomers, and resonance energy. Resonance. When a single structural formula of a compound could not explain with its all the physical and chemical properties, then two or more hypothetical structures have been suggested. For example, benzene. See here, this is the resonance of Kekulé structure, benzene, resonance hybrid of these two structures, and this is three structures of Dewar structures. Here, contribution of Kekulé structure is about 80%, whereas Dewar structure is 20%. And this structure is resonance hybrid of benzene structure. Here we had is denoted by a circle in ring. This acids, this is also resonance hybrid of these two structures. This resonance hybrid may be defined as the actual structure of all different possible structures that can be written for molecule without changing the relative position of its atoms. Rules for resonance. The various resonance structures should differ only in the position of electrons and not in the position of nuclei. See here. Here the electron distribution is changed, but position of this element will remain on their original position. This is the diazomethane resonating structures. In contrast, structure 3 and 4 are not resonance structures because they differ not only in the position of electrons, but in the position of atoms as well. See here in this. So this is not called resonance hybrid structures. All the atoms taking part in the resonance structures must lie in the same plane. All the canonical structures should have the same or nearly the same amount of energy and stability. See here, the Kekulé structure and allied cation resonating structure. Resonance structures having like charges on adjacent atoms are of high energy and hence contribute little towards the resonance hybrid. See here, this is highly stable due to this type of resonance hybrid. Properties of resonance hybrid. Stability. Stability of the molecule is due to the delocalization of electrons and is measured in terms of resonance energy. In other words, larger the resonance energy, the more stable is the compound. Means if resonance energy is high, the stability of compound will be also high. For example, we can calculate resonance energy for benzene also. And here 1,3-butadiene is more stable because of this resonance energy 2.9. And benzene molecule is stable due to the high resonance energy 36 kilocalorie per mole. As a result, benzene is much more stable and is not easily oxidized by KMnO4 even under drastic conditions, whereas 1,3-butadiene is much less stable and is thus easily oxidized by KMnO4 even under mild condition. Bond length. Bond length also changes due to the resonance hybrid. Here in benzene, all bonds having 1.39 angstrom, whereas in 1,3-butadiene, this bond length is changes to single bond length is 1.48 whereas double bond length is slightly higher, it is 1.35 angstrom. Difference between tautomerism and resonance. Resonance. Different resonating structures differ only in the position of the electrons, but not in the position of atoms. Whereas tautomers differ both in the position of the electron as well as the atoms. For example, benzene, here due to the delocalization of pi electron, this is the resonating structures. Whereas in propanone, see here propanone, and this is the ketoenol form. These are the tautomers. The various resonance contributing structures are not to be isolated, or isolation is not possible, whereas tautomers actually exist and can be isolated in suitable conditions. The resonance structure are not in dynamic equilibrium, so shows by this type of double-headed arrow. Whereas the tautomers are in dynamic equilibrium, so it is shown by this type of single-headed double arrow, opposite arrow. Resonance leads to stabilization of the molecule. This tautomers does not lead to stabilization of the molecule. Resonance energy. We can calculate the resonance energy of benzene. Suppose we are taking theoretical calculation of this cyclohexatriene. Cyclohexene, when it is hydrogenation takes place, it will release 28.6 kilocalorie per mole. Means cyclohexane formation is occurred. Cyclohexadiene, 2 moles of hydrogen, when hydrogenation takes place, it will release 57.2 kilocalorie per mole energy, and it will form again cyclohexane. Where cyclohexatriene, on hydrogenation of 3 moles of hydrogen, it will give cyclohexane and it will release 85.8 kilocalorie per mole energy. This is a theoretical calculation. But when we are taking benzene, it also contains 3 double bond. When 3 moles of hydrogen, with the 3 moles of hydrogen, when we do hydrogenation, it will also give cyclohexane, and it will release only 49.8 kilocalorie per mole energy. The difference between theoretical and experimental values is the resonance energy. 85.8 kilocalorie minus 49.8 kilocalorie is 36 kilocalorie. So this is the resonance energy of benzene. So thank you very much for today's lecture.